Good evening, everyone. This is Clinton Poteet, and this is going to be my quiz review. We'll be doing question 3. In the realm of products liability, explain the concepts of a design defect and an information defect and differentiate them from each other. So, here we have the definitions of them both. Design defect, product conforms to the design, but the design is defective. When the product left control of the manufacturer, it was in the condition the manufacturer intended it to be in, but something went wrong in the planning stage, making the product dangerous. The defective product is exactly like all the others, but something is wrong with all of them because of the design of the product. Here we have informational defect. The design of the product is reasonable and there are no manufacturing flaws in it, but the consumer should have been given more information about the product. The packaging, accompanying literature, or advertising failed to provide enough information on proper use, or failed to provide sufficient warnings of side effects that could occur from using the product. So, here's where we're at with both of these. Essentially, the design defect is going to be something that goes wrong with the design. So say, there's a football, and every time of this somebody uses this certain specific football made by some brand, every time the football was thrown and caught in this very specific manner of holding the ball when it was caught, it exploded. Well, that would be a design defect if it was designed for it to be that way, for all the footballs to be that way. An information defect would be, cigarette box that does not have information regarding the sufficient warnings of side effects that could occur from the using the product.